Search teams detected underwater sounds while scanning the North Atlantic for a tourist submersible that vanished with 5 people aboard during a deep-sea voyage to the century-old wreck of the Titanic, the US Coast Guard said early on Wednesday. The detection of the sounds by Canadian aircraft on Tuesday, day 3 of the search, was reported by the Coast Guard as the clock ticked down to the last 24 hours of the missing craft's presumed oxygen supply. Robotic undersea search operations were diverted to the area where the sounds seemed to originate, but there was still no tangible sign of the missing vessel, the Coast Guard said on Twitter. The 21-foot-long submersible Titan, operated by US-based OceanGate Expeditions, lost contact with its parent surface vessel on Sunday morning, about 1 hour 45 minutes into what should have been a 2-hour dive to the site of the world's most famous shipwreck. The mini-sub was designed to remain underwater for 96 hours, according to its specifications, giving it 5 occupants.